In this video, we're going to look at how you can add your own custom alphas into Substance Painter. So here I've made a custom alpha. I made it using Photoshop, but you can use any other graphics editor you'd like. Just make sure that it's got a black background and the alpha itself is white. So simply save this or export it as a PNG, and I will see you in Substance Painter. Now once you're in Substance Painter, simply drag and drop your alpha from the File Explorer into your Assets library, like so, and then we'll define this as an alpha and hit import. Then from here you can simply drag and drop it onto your model or hit mask. Then you can have a play around with it. So in this case, let's say bump up the scale a bit up to 0.5, and then we'll get rid of the color in this case, and we'll just keep the height map so it looks like it's almost part of the model. We'll change this up a bit, and there you have it. That's how you add your own custom alphas into Substance Painter. Be sure to comment below what video you'd like to see next, and I will see you in the next one.